Hello everyone, this is Kanksha Gangapuram and you're watching HyBiz News. Sanjay Wazirani's Foodlink, one of the India's largest luxury F&B service companies, announced that the launch of Art of Drum in Kondapur, Hyderabad. Art of Drum, a cloud kitchen brand, is currently delivering scrumptious food in Bengaluru and Mumbai. It promises authentic food, hand-picked ingredients and adherence to the highest standards of quality and safety. The traditional methods of cooking and the attention to detail in packing and all added to experience of enjoying food that is fit for royalty. The brand will offer a wide range of authentic flavored cooked in the traditional Dum Pukht style of slow cooking. All the flavors will be wrapped in the elegant and sustainable packing that is unparalleled and providing a luxurious at-home dining experience to Hyderabadi's food enthusiasts. Art of Drums will also introduce Akhrot Ki Galouti, a specially curated dish best suits to the taste palate of Hyderabadi's foodies. Besides this, the food menu includes different styles of Biryanis, Kebabs, delicately spiced gravies, wholesome rolls and mouth-watering sweet dishes. Thank you for watching HyBiz News.